Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our exercise 13.5. Here is question number 1. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter, and 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes? Here we have to find the volume of a packet which contains 12 match boxes. So the dimensions of matchbox are 4 centimeter, it means 4 centimeter is length, and 2.5 centimeter is breadth, 1.5 centimeter is height. So therefore volume of one matchbox will be length into breadth into height, because a matchbox is cuboidal in shape. So we can find its volume by multiplying the all three dimensions, and it will be 15 centimeter cube. Therefore volume of 16 matchboxes 240 centimeter cube, and this is the volume of 16 matchboxes, and we have to find the volume of 16, we have to multiply it by 12 because 12 boxes are there. So it will be 180 centimeter cube, and a packet contains 12 matchboxes. So the volume of packet of 12 matchboxes is 180 centimeter cube. Next question. A cuboidal water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide, and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water it can hold? Here again a cuboidal tank is there, and we have to find its volume. Let us find its volume. So the dimensions are: length of tank is 6 meter, breadth is 5 meter, and depth is 4.5 meter. Here the depth is taken as height, meaning when the height is above ground level, then it is considered as height, and when it is below ground level, then it is considered as depth. So volume of water tank, it will be again length into breadth into height, and 6 into 5 into 4.5. Let us multiply it, and the volume will be in meter cube, and it will be 135.0 meter cube. But we have to find the capacity of tank in liters, and we know 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So therefore 135 meter cube will be multiply by 1000. So this is the volume of the tank, 1,35,000 liter. Next, question number 3. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of a liquid? Now volume is given, length is given, breadth is given, and we have to find the height. So now the volume is given, length and breadth is, so height is volume divided by length into breadth, and volume is 380. (19/4 meter), and we can convert it into decimal, 4.75 meter. Next is question number 4. Find the cost of digging a cuboidal pit 8 meter long, 6 meter broad, and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per meter cube. Again we have to find the volume of cuboidal pit and then we will multiply it by the given cost and we will get the total cost of digging the pit. Let us start the solution. So volume of pit is 144 meter cube and cost of digging per meter cube. When the cost is in cube, then we have to find the volume. You can remind this. And when the cost is given in meter square, it means we have to find the area. And cost of digging per meter cube is rupees 30, and we have to find the cost for 144 meter cube. So we can find it, and it will be 4320. Next, question number 5. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter of water. The volume is given in liters. Find the breadth of the tank. We have to find the breadth of that tank if its length and depth are 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Again, the length and depth are given. We have to find its breadth. And what is the formula to find the breadth? That is volume divided by length into depth. But in this question, the volume is in liters. So first of all, we have to convert it into meter cubes. We will divide it by 1000 to convert the volume in meter cubes. Now the length is 2.5 meter and depth is 10 meter. So therefore, breadth will be volume divided by length into depth, and volume is 50, length is 2.5 into 10. Again we can convert it. So breadth will be 4 meters. Sorry, we will check the calculations again. The volume is 50 and 2.5 into 10. It will be 5, and 2.5 when cancel with 5 will give you 2. So the breadth is 2 meter. Question number 6. A village having population of 4,000 requires 150 liter of water per head per day. It has a tank measuring 20 meter, 15 meter and 6 meter. How many days will the water of this tank last? Meaning there is a water tank in a village and there is water in that tank and capacity of tank is given. And per day, per people needs 150 liter water per day, and there are 4,000 people. So we can first of all find the water needed for 4,000 people per day. We will find this volume in meter cube. So 600 meter cube water is needed for 4,000 people for per day, and capacity of tank is length into breadth into height, and it will be 20 meter, 15 meter into 6 meter. So capacity of tank is 1800 meter cube. So therefore number of days is equal to 1800 divided by 600. 3 days. So it means the tank has sufficient water for 3 days for 4,000 people. Thank you, students.